Hello everyone, welcome to our automation lab where we will learn how to automate using UiPath. We will have anywhere from beginner friendly all the way to advanced level courses in this channel. With that being said, let's start with something very simple, classic hello world. So let's do that. I'm gonna make this smaller. Alright, let's open UiPath Studio. So this is where we will build all of our automation, where all the coding happens in the desktop studio. There's a cloud version too, but for purpose of this demo, we'll use the desktop one. So once you open your UiPath Studio, you can open a local project if you already have one. We don't have anything ready to go, so therefore we will create a new process. Let's choose a process to start with, and let's give it a name. Let's see, hello world. You can provide a description here for your automation process. We can leave it blank for now. And there are also options. If you prefer C#, you can choose C#. If you prefer VB.NET, you can choose the language. And you can choose the store where you choose to store your location. I'll keep it default here. I want to keep it in the documents folder, but if you want, you can click that folder icon and choose a specific location that you prefer. Alright, let's go ahead and create our very first project. Let's give it a second. Sometime it needs to download the dependencies and packages that are required to run the code. Alright, let's make this a full screen. So we do have a few different sections on the left side where you can see the projects and project folders and different project dependencies. And here you can choose activities if you want to reuse some of UiPath's activities. And there's object repository and snippets. To make it simple, we will just focus on this, and we will just focus on activities panel for today. Let's look for a message box. If you start typing message box, it will populate here, and this is our message box. And on the right hand side you can see display name. It's always best to rename all of these activities to make it easier for the future. So let's just say hello world. And if you want to automatically close after a certain period of time, you can set that time here, but for the purpose of the demo, we'll just leave it 0. And we have a few different options. We can have message box show okay, okay cancel, yes, no, cancel. All of these values, for example, if you want to say yes, no, cancel, you can store whatever the user chooses to a variable here. So for the caption, let's just say we need to have it quotation mark hello world. Alright, let's just say hello world caption, and we can just copy that here. That's fine. Also, if you click this plus icon, if you want to open it up bigger, You can choose open in expression editor. That way you can type up code or do things. It just looks bigger. So let's just say hello world text. Notice here it has an error message right now because it needs to be in quotation because it only accepts string type of value. So let's just save this and let's just test it and see what happens. If you hit this play icon, it will execute the main SAML. Whatever you have in this main, it will do that. So whatever you put in a caption, you get it here, and whatever you put in a text, you get it in the body of this. And let's just click no, see what happens. It looks like it's not doing much, it just simply closes out. So let's test this with a variable. Let's just create a variable. What I'm doing is I'm holding a control, clicking K. It lets you create a variable there. Let's just do str message box output. Alright, notice it created a variable here, variable type str string, and message box output. And let's have another message box here. We want the output, whatever we choose here, to show up on the second message box. So let's just try it out. It says hello world. Let me click yes. Simply it just says yes. So you can take information from a user and then output it just like that.